Hey guys, Alex here, and today we're gonna play some Happy Wheels. Let's get started. Let's do this one. Whoa. Whoa. It's got hurt. Okay, I'm pedaling over my child. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, child. Bye-bye, child. Okay, he's pedaling up. Oh, come on, I can't get up. Damn it. Alright, let's get started. Whee! Whoops. Whee! Damn it. Whoa, he's gonna die. He died. Let me turn. Let me put something else. Obstacle course. Let's see. This guy. What the heck? How am I supposed to get up like that? Wow, that's just retarded. Okay, that's just really disgusting. Blood coming out. Is it ever gonna stop? And why is that thing bouncing? Okay, let me do another one. Gut bus. I'll go with this guy.